are you? Can I get a hug?
Yes.
Good. How you doing?
Good, good.
Short my arm restraints for...
You good? Yeah, you look good.
Yeah.
Have fun, okay?
Thank you, mate. All right.
Yep, you ready to go?
Let's start it. Can we start it up?
Yes, we can.
Okay, start it up. Water pump's on, oil's on. Give him a sec, give him a sec. Okay, we got one. We got two. All right. Be safe. Okay, transmission on, visor down. Okay, Sonny. Where's Pete?
Come on.
Where's the front?
Come on.
Pete's gone.
He's way over there.
No. He's missing it. I mean, he's gone.
Just here a second ago.
Where's he at? Okay, we're up.
Try and keep your GoPro to the right, Greg. If you can.
Okay, we're up, we're up.
Keep your GoPro to the right, most as best you can. Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, on course now.
Yeah, class record is 226. You got Cal behind the controls. Awesome. All right. And he just went through the traps at 230.777.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice job.
All right.
Yes.
Oh man. I hope you have.
We got it.
All right. I appreciate it.
What do we need to go?
Great job.
222, Kevin?
I will.
226
I'll
is
cherish
what's
that.
in the
Thanks,
back.
Pete.
All right. Awesome. Congratulations. Wade, what do you think?
It's awesome.
Was that a cool little adrenaline rush?
Experience. I mean, doesn't get any better than setting
Yeah.
the record first time out.
Whew.
For me.
Now my adrenaline's gonna slow down.
I know.
That adrenaline spike is hard.
I always say that don't forget to breathe.
How you feeling, Kevin?
That's great.
Yeah.
All right, once again, car number 7, DF Lakester with Cal Rothe behind the controls, Aardema Braun. Class record was 226. They just went through the traps at 230.776. Great job.
Kevin.
Take a damn count, guys.
Awesome, dude. guys pull this up?
No.
What?
That's when it came off.
Oh, fuck. I'm glad it stayed with the car.
Yeah.
And that, you got a record with that kind of aerodynamics?
We lost a lot of this place.
All right, we'll get it off.
Get her back to impound.
Yep.
And it got on the tire. The body work was here on the tire. I moved it off the
Okay,
tire.
thank you.
So I want to see that before you guys run again.
What do you want to see?
I want to see if it's okay.
Well, we're not going to run again.
Okay, good.
All right, because we got a record.
Good.
Okay.
I'll see you in impound.
Okay, see you in impound. Thank you.
Greg, you're the man. Oh, you're the best, brother. Couldn't do it without you at all.
I wonder if, like, if that... We're in
Go
impound.
to impound, yeah.
We're here.
Yeah, I see.
All right.
All right.
Woohoo!
I hit that dip and I went sideways, and I'm going, oh, mama, oh, mama. Oh, what a ride. The video's going to show.
Where is he? This way.
The body came off?
Almost.
Really?
It was still attached to the car, but not really.
Did it hurt it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's all broken.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it rubbed on the tire. It probably added extra downforce. What's up, Pete?
Good to see you.
Hi, Pete.
Good to see you.
Oh, it all broke back there.
Yeah, it was, I could see the whole.
Yes. It was on top of the wing. This was on top of the wing. It was this. That way. As I said, it probably get.
Still stuck on?
Yes. Oh, so what do you think? How'd it sound?
Yeah, it sounds pretty good.
Dude, it was so sketchy at the end. Oh my god.
Was the cover flying
It was on top of the wing.
Oh.
That camera was sitting on the wing.
Good, yeah.
Just good?
Good patch of towel down.
What about the time?
I think the wind.
Hey everyone, we're going to do an instant replay of the rear camera view. Watch the lower left-hand corner. At 207 miles per hour, the canopy comes off and gets lodged in the tail. This was caused by the imperfection in the large dip in the racetrack. Cal was still able to get a record, so we are totally stoked. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Stay tuned. We'll get another video going soon.